Assalamu alaikum dear students of first year. How are all of you? Today I am going to give you a lecture on the reward, which is lesson number 6. Let me explain it in Urdu. Okay. कहानी एक नौजवान गॉर्जियस की शानदार मुहिम है जो अपने दौर का अच्छा खिलाड़ी था। उसने दरबारी बाजीगर बनने की ठान ली। उसने उसके लिए काम किया और उसके साथ काफ़ी लंबे अरसे तक डटा रहा। वो अपने मकसद में पुरज़म रहा। बिलाखिर वो कोई मुख्तसर रास्ता इस्तेमाल किए बगैर या मायूस हुए बगैर 60 साल से ज़्यादा अरसे में अपने मकसद को पाने में कामयाब हो गया। एक शख्स जो पुरज़म रहता है और अपनी जद्दोजहद जारी रखता है, अपना नस्बुल ऐन पा लेता है। ये कहानी लोगों को एक मुस्बत पैगाम देती है जो ज़िंदगी में कामयाबी के लिए कोई शॉर्टकट रास्ता इख्तियार नहीं करते, बल्कि अपनी मेहनत और अज़म के बलबूते पर कामयाबी हासिल करते हैं। अगर हम माजी पर नज़र दौड़ाएं तो मालूम होगा कि जितने भी अजीम आदमी गुज़रे हैं, सब ने मेहनत और अज़म से काम किया और अपनी किस्मत संवारी। ये था इसका उर्दू का मुख्तसर, जो आप कह सकते हैं कि ख़ुलासा, द थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी। चलें, अब मैं आपको इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बताती हूँ जो इसमें से आ सकते हैं। पास्ट पेपर्स में जितने भी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड हैं वो मैं सारे आपको बता देती हूँ। आपके सामने भी आपकी स्क्रीन पे भी चल रहे हैं आंसर्स, तो आप इनको नोट डाउन कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ व्हाट वाज द सब्जेक्ट डिस्कस्ड एट द क्लब? The discussion was about opportunity and determination at the club. Question number 2 is what did Turbot think of Jorkin's argument? Turbot did not agree with Jorkin's argument. He believed that opportunity was more important than determination. Question number 3 is how did Gorgias persuade his people to make his country strong? Gorgias convinced his people to make his country strong. He asked them to create the post of court acrobat, which would raise the glory of the country. Question number 4 is how did Jorkins convince that a man can become a skating champion? Answer is Jorkins said that a man could become a skating champion of Sahara with determination. He should build a skating ring in the Sahara and organize competition. What was the viewpoint? Next question is what was the viewpoint of parents of Gorgias? His parents did not agree with Gorgias. They were of the viewpoint that opportunity was required for success. What were the arrangements made for the function of inauguration? Inauguration कहते हैं इफ्तिताह को. Okay, answer is the royal court was decorated with red and golden curtains, high swings and beautifully shining lights. Question number 6 is describe the scene of inauguration. Gorgias wore a brilliant uniform. Court was decorated with bright curtains. Lights also glittered there. Next question is what were the feelings of Gorgias on the occasion? Answer है on the occasion of this inauguration ceremony, Gorgias was very happy at his achievement. Okay, the last question is did Gorgias use any shortcut to achieve his ambition? The answer है कि no. Gorgias did not use any shortcut to achieve his ambition. He worked hard and got it about after 60 years. So these were the important questions, and I have already discussed the theme of this short story. So now you have to learn these questions, and you also have to extend these questions because the answers which I am showing you are a little bit short. You have to write at least 3 to 5 lines to get 2 marks. Hope you have understood this lesson. So now you have to learn it by heart, and you have to keep in mind that there should be no grammatic and spelling mistakes at this level. Okay, hope you all have understood. Allah Hafiz.